When searching for your dream home, you might come across the term FHA loan, but what exactly is it? Let's dive in. An FHA loan is a mortgage insured by the Federal Housing Administration. It's designed to help borrowers who might not qualify for a conventional mortgage. Now let's explore both the pros and the cons of FHA loans. So pro is lower credit score requirements. FHA loans have more lenient credit score requirements, making home ownership more accessible for the masses. Another one is smaller down payment, as low as 3.5%. This means you don't have to wait until you've saved up 20% to still get that fixed rate mortgage. A con would be mortgage insurance premiums. Borrowers must pay both upfront and annual mortgage premiums, which add the cost of the loan. Another con, loan limits. FHA sets limits in each county across the country on how much you can borrow, which might be less than what you desire in the home. Property standards. Similar to the VA loans, homes must meet strict FHA criteria, limiting properties you can buy. In conclusion, FHA loans can be a great tool for certain buyers, but it's essential to weigh the pros and the cons to decide if it's right for you. To find out more, DM me and follow me on YouTube at Lender Larry Bammer, where I post daily mortgage rates.